just tidying away, but while we're on the same sort of subject of drinks, by the way, that's gone really nice. They've kind of super melted now. I want to show you just real quick a couple of drinks that I've sort of taken to. So we've got the Diet Mountain Dew, and yeah, Mountain Dew. I'm liking Mountain Dew. I haven't had it for a long time, but definitely liking it. We do have it in the UK, but I like this. This is good. This is Mug root beer. Mug root beer. Look at that dog on there. It looks like a bulldog. Yeah, he's happy. And I remember as a kid, root beer used to taste like dentist. So when I was a kid, you used to have a local McDonald's, and the local McDonald's, you know, you go and get your thing, and you'd always have a root beer because you always order something bloody stupid, don't you? And I'd never drink it. I'd order it, not drink it. I didn't like the taste because it tastes, I said, like a dentist. And I wonder if that's because it's flavoured with something odd, like sort of wintergreen or something. I think it's like an oil of wintergreen. But let's just have a look while we're here. Carbonated water. High fructose corn syrup. Everything here has high fructose corn syrup. There's no real sugar here. Caramel colour, sodium benzoate, natural and artificial flavour, citric acid, quillalea, Quillalaia, quillea extract, calcium disodium to protect the flavour. So maybe that's it. Maybe it's quillea extract. That's the flavour. Certainly not really a natural drink though. 120 calories as well per pop, so not great. But yeah, it's quite a satisfying drink really. I think the closest I think we have in the UK is probably dandelion and burdock. It's very kind of similar, earthy, rooty sort of taste. But yeah, I think this'll you know. This is a short video in itself. I'm gonna leave this. It's 2 minutes long. It's definitely a bit too long to be an addendum, and it's almost a vlog in its own right. So I'm going to be drinking lots of root beer over the next few days. Do you like root beer, or do you like dandelion and burdock? Or are you outraged by the fact that they're removing the sugar in Iron Brew, and they're claiming that it tastes the same, although there's a lot of angry Scots, although maybe we'll say angrier Scots, tend to be a bit angry anyway, saying, no, you can't change the recipe of our native drink, or we will shake our clack-a-lack-a-duck-ducks at you. And that's exactly what's happening right now. So yeah, thank you very much, pop drinkers, for watching.